So in this short video, I want to talk about Bitcoin because we just seen the death cross. Now, if you're new to trading and you don't yet know what the death cross is, it's basically when you have a moving average, or rather a series of moving averages, could be two, could be three, that crosses each other. And when you see this kind of situation, most of the time it typically results in a big movement down or movement up. Now, in fact, if you look at the previous cross up, meaning to say that the moving average, the 50 period moving average goes above the 200-day moving average, it resulted in this entire movement up. And right now, we have this death cross down in the opposite direction. So I think there's a lot of concern in the market whether this is a big sign that Bitcoin could actually start falling all the way down to maybe the 8,000 level, or even all the way back down to the lows at the 2,000 level. Now in this video, I want to show you why it is very alarming to see the charts right now, to look at the charts, what the charts are telling us. It's very actually dangerous to be trading Bitcoin, at least on the long side, if you are looking to buy. More than the death cross, what we have is actually a series of lower lows and lower highs. So you can see that there's a low here, there's a high, there's a lower low and a lower high. So if you are new to trading or technical analysis, a series of lower lows and lower highs means that the market trend is bearish. Okay, now the next thing that you have to pay attention to is that this recent support was broken. Okay, you can see that on 21st of June, we have a breakdown. Okay, if you cannot identify this level, just switch to the line chart and you should be able to identify this swing low right here. Okay, so if you were to switch back to the candlestick pattern, or rather the candlestick chart, you can see that yesterday price actually spiked this level, and as of this time of recording, price is actually resisted. Okay, that means that this resistance is still valid, and if this resistance is still valid, then this entire consolidation has already broken down and is looking like it's going to go way below. Okay, so this brings me to the point of whether you should be buying Bitcoin, because I know many of you want to buy Bitcoin and you want to invest for the long term. Maybe you're not too concerned about the short term. So when should you be buying Bitcoin? Okay, what do you need to see in order to buy Bitcoin? Now, the first thing that you need to watch out for is obviously you need price to close above this level. Okay, this is the first sign, but it's not strong enough because if price close above this level, potentially what could happen is that price could come back here, hit the moving average as a dynamic resistance, and then start selling down. Okay, so it's not sufficient. What you need to watch out for is that you need to see price break above this entire zone, okay, because this will mean that you have something known as a double bottom. Okay, again, these are concepts that are pretty straightforward, or rather basic or elementary. Okay, I teach a lot of this in my channel. So if you are new, right, please do consider subscribing, right? Do hit that thumbs up button also if you got value, okay, because I create videos like this to help you avoid losing money. Okay, I cannot promise that you will make money, but what I can do is I can point out the levels so that you do not lose money. Okay, and that's the purpose of this video. Now moving back into the charts, so right here you can see that if price were to break above, then what we'll have is a double bottom confirmation, and that's when it's a good time to pick up Bitcoin. Okay, you do not want to be the sucker who catches a falling knife. Okay, just think about it. Catching a falling knife is a very difficult thing to do, and it's going to be very painful. So the smart way to do it is to wait for price to break above the neckline. Okay, look for the retracement downwards. Okay, look for retracement here. Okay, look for a candlestick pattern. It could be a hammer, it could be an engulfing pattern. Okay, and once you see that, then you buy. Otherwise, right, you should not be looking to buy Bitcoin unless you see this. Okay, very important, because right now it's looking very, very bearish. So I do not want you to get hurt. I don't want you to try to catch just because you want to buy low. Okay, remember that you need to have the trend in your direction if you want to be buying. You don't want to be the sucker who just buy because it's low. Okay, that's not the way to do it. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope you got a ton of value. If you have any other questions or any other cryptocurrency pairs that you'd like me to analyze, please let me know in the comments down below. Okay, if I see something or I see something that could be a big mover, either to the upside or to the downside, then I'll record a video just like this to show you beforehand, before the thing actually happens. Okay, if not, thanks for watching. I'll catch you again.